5 myths of commercial carpet care and the smarter strategies replacing them. Myth number 5, deep cleaning requires water rinse extraction. For years, deep cleaning was defined by the tool, high water flow and heavy extraction. But true deep cleaning isn't about how much water you use. It's about how consistently you remove embedded soil before it causes damage. The smarter strategy? Build a proactive system where deep cleaning happens through routine and interim maintenance, not just as a last resort. The best programs manage soil continuously and reserve extraction for when it's truly needed. Curious about the other myths? You can watch the full series here on YouTube. And you can always learn more about us at infinitefloorcare.com.